welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I invite you to like, subscribe, and comment as you would, and then click that notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when there's a new video to this channel. And if you are a seasoned viewer, welcome back. And thanks for joining me for this week's Plan With Me and my mini happy planner. Hi guys! This week I am doing a mini plan with me using my stickers from the chemistry Etsy shop, and I'll put a link down below where you can find them to get your own. This week we're working on some yellow. I am so sick of winter. I want to hurry up this spring and get it to come in, so we are working with some spring colors in my mini happy planner. Looks like I just made a little mess here. So we're going over to this week, which ends February and walks right over to March. I'm going to start by taking out my sheets for this week so that we can get started. If you are new to my channel, you may not know my process. What I'm going to do is speed up the video, and then I'll just talk over everything that I'm doing so that you guys can get the full picture without falling asleep during the video. And also, if you don't know, this is my Socialite mini planner. I struggle so much with these purple boxes on the side, trying to cover them up. I feel like I'm forced to use the purple when I feel like they just shouldn't even be there. But we're going to try to do what we do and make it work. Let me know what you think at the end. And I don't know why I get so stressed out with trying to make these purple boxes disappear, but I do. I just wear myself out over this versus just using my colors. But I want everything to be cohesive. Like, I don't want any mismatching. Yeah, I don't want any mismatching of colors on my spread. I want it to look all balanced. Let's see how I do. Pray my strength, y'all. Pray my strength. Y'all, I bought this whole kit for this girl right here. She is super gorgeous. I so love her hair, the sweater, the yellow. That yellow is popping. That's what actually made me go out and get the whole entire kit. So this sticker that I'm laying down right here is from the Happy Planner sticker book. I believe it's the green one. It doesn't have a name, it just says stickers on it. So I didn't want to confuse you to make you guys think this was from the chemistry Etsy shop. But I thought it was a great match. And this sticker here that I am laying down is from the, is it from the bright colors? It's from a colorful box, but it's from one of the newer colorful boxes that I'm throwing down. Just trying to match up some yellows to match up with my doll there, so everything can still look cohesive and not so far off. out is a good thing to have on hand, but I'm doing too much with this yellow right here. These flowers don't match with the other flowers that don't match with my yellow level up sticker. Regardless of the shade, these butterflies are going down because I need some spring in my life. I'm so over this winter weather. I needed to get back to spring, to the warmth, to the comfort level where we don't have to wear a jacket or maybe a light jacket and just a sweater. So yeah, I'm trying to pull it in by dropping these butterflies, and butterflies are beautiful. See, this is what I'm always talking about with the changing up of the guards here. I had that sticker laid down, and then flipping through the book, I saw something else, and then I wanted to switch. And so most of the time, I can get the stickers off easily without any troubles. And this time was one of those. That yellow sticker was just too blinding. So I decided to change up. Alright guys, that is it for this week's spread. I am going to place it back into my planner. I think I'm okay with that. I think I'm satisfied with this spread here. As you can see, there's March right there, right around the corner down the street, however way you want to put it. March is here. If you guys have any comments or suggestions or questions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Y'all like my mug there? I made that mug myself. I love the DIY too, guys. So make sure you check out my DIYs on this page as well. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below and share the video with a friend. Until next time, love and blessings. See ya!